The nature of warfare is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by rapid technological advancements that are reshaping the battlefield. Gone are the days of solely human-driven conflicts where battles were fought with traditional weapons and strategies. We are entering an era where robotics, artificial intelligence, and unmanned systems play increasingly pivotal roles, revolutionizing the way military operations are conducted. This shift is not merely an incremental change. It represents a fundamental paradigm shift in how wars are fought and, consequently, how we must prepare for them. The integration of these advanced technologies is altering the very fabric of military strategy. The battlefields of the future will be populated by autonomous drones, unmanned ground vehicles, and intelligent systems capable of making life-or-death decisions with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This evolution is driven by several factors, including the desire to reduce human casualties, gain tactical advantages, and counter the evolving threats of the 21st century. The aim is to create a more efficient and effective military force. The increasing sophistication and availability of these technologies have captured the attention of militaries worldwide, leading to a new kind of arms race. Nations are vying to outpace each other in technological advancements. Countries are investing heavily in research and development, eager to harness the potential of robotics and artificial intelligence to bolster their defense capabilities. This investment is seen as crucial for maintaining a strategic edge. This rapid evolution presents a complex web of opportunities and challenges, demanding careful consideration of the ethical implications and potential consequences of this technological leap. The deployment of autonomous weapons raises significant moral questions. As we delve deeper into the future of warfare, we must grapple with profound questions about the role of human soldiers, the ethics of autonomous weapons, and the long-term impact of this technological revolution on global security. The balance between human oversight and machine autonomy is a critical issue. The answers to these questions will shape the future of conflict and have far-reaching consequences for humanity. The decisions made today will determine the nature of warfare for generations to come, influencing global stability and peace. Events like the ELA Berlin Air Show and the 2024 Zhuhai Air Show offer a fascinating glimpse into this rapidly evolving landscape of modern warfare. These exhibitions serve as crucial platforms for showcasing cutting-edge military technologies, including the latest advancements in robotics and drone technology. They provide a unique opportunity for industry leaders, military personnel, and technology enthusiasts to witness the future of defense. At these events, defense contractors and research institutions from around the globe unveil their latest creations, demonstrating the impressive capabilities of unmanned aerial vehicles, unmanned ground vehicles, and other autonomous systems. These innovations are designed to enhance operational efficiency and effectiveness in various military scenarios. The ELA Berlin Air Show, renowned for its focus on aerospace and defense technology, has become a hotbed for showcasing the latest innovations in military robotics. It attracts a diverse audience, including government officials, defense experts, and technology enthusiasts, all eager to see the future of military technology. Attendees witness firsthand the agility and precision of next-generation drones capable of conducting complex reconnaissance missions, delivering payloads with pinpoint accuracy, and even engaging in sophisticated air-to-air combat scenarios. These demonstrations highlight the potential of drones to revolutionize modern warfare. Similarly, the Zhuhai Air Show, held in India, highlights the growing prowess of Asian countries in the field of military robotics. This event showcases the region's commitment to advancing military technology and innovation. The event features impressive demonstrations of indigenously developed UAVs and UGVs designed for various military applications, ranging from reconnaissance to direct combat support. These technologies are employed in diverse roles, from border surveillance to providing crucial combat support on the battlefield. These air shows are not merely spectacles of technological might. They are testaments to the rapid pace of innovation in the field of military robotics. They serve as a window into the future, where technology and warfare intersect. The advancements on display underscore the transformative potential of these technologies and their growing influence on the future of warfare. As we look ahead, it is clear that drones and robotics will play an increasingly pivotal role in shaping the strategies and outcomes of military engagements. While the military applications of robotics and drones dominate headlines, their potential extends far beyond the battlefield. These technologies are increasingly proving their worth in humanitarian aid and disaster relief efforts, demonstrating their capacity to save lives and mitigate the impact of natural disasters. Rescue drones in particular have emerged as invaluable tools for first responders, enabling them to reach inaccessible areas, assess damage, and deliver essential supplies with unprecedented speed and efficiency. One notable example is the Avalis GmbH rescue drone, equipped with advanced sensors, high-resolution cameras, and a payload delivery system. This versatile drone can be deployed rapidly to disaster zones, providing real-time situational awareness to rescue teams on the ground. Its thermal imaging capabilities allow it to locate survivors trapped under rubble, while its communication system enables two-way communication, providing a lifeline to those in need. The drone's ability to deliver medical supplies, food, and water makes it an indispensable asset in the critical hours following a disaster. The use of drones in disaster relief efforts is a testament to the life-saving potential of these technologies. As drones become increasingly sophisticated and accessible, their role in humanitarian aid is only set to expand, offering hope and assistance to communities affected by natural disasters worldwide. Military robots and drones offer several advantages in combat situations, particularly in high-risk environments and prolonged operations where human soldiers face significant dangers. These advanced machines are designed to handle the most challenging and dangerous tasks, ensuring that human lives are preserved while achieving mission objectives. Their ability to operate in hazardous conditions, endure extended deployments, and perform tasks with precision makes them invaluable assets in modern warfare. Whether it's navigating through treacherous terrains or executing complex maneuvers, these robots are built to withstand the rigors of the battlefield. One of the primary advantages of military robots is their capacity to withstand conditions that would be perilous or even fatal for human soldiers. They can venture into areas that are too dangerous for humans, such as those with extreme temperatures, high radiation levels, or active combat zones. They can be deployed to areas contaminated by chemical, biological, radiological, or nuclear agents, gathering vital intelligence and neutralizing threats without risking human lives. This capability is crucial in modern warfare, where the threat of unconventional weapons is ever present. Moreover, robots are immune to fatigue, psychological stress, and emotional factors that can impact human performance in combat. This means they can operate continuously without the need for rest, maintaining a high level of efficiency and effectiveness. This resilience allows them to undertake prolonged missions, maintaining constant vigilance and operational effectiveness over extended periods. Their ability to stay alert and focused without the need for breaks makes them ideal for long-term surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Furthermore, military robots excel in tasks requiring precision and accuracy. Their advanced sensors and control systems enable them to perform delicate operations with a level of precision that is difficult for humans to achieve. Unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with advanced targeting systems can deliver airstrikes with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage and reducing the risk of civilian casualties. This precision is essential in modern warfare, where the goal is to neutralize threats while minimizing harm to non-combatants. Similarly, unmanned ground vehicles can be deployed for bomb disposal missions, disarming explosive devices with precision and minimizing the risk to human personnel. These robots can handle explosives with a level of care and accuracy that significantly reduces the danger to human bomb disposal teams. The advantages of military robots and drones extend beyond their physical capabilities. Their integration into military strategies allows for more flexible and adaptive responses to evolving threats. They also offer strategic and tactical benefits, enhancing situational awareness, improving communication, and enabling more effective decision-making. By providing real-time data and intelligence, these robots help commanders make informed decisions quickly and accurately. As these technologies continue to evolve, their impact on the battlefield will only become more pronounced, shaping the future of warfare in profound ways. The ongoing advancements in robotics and AI promise to revolutionize military operations, making them more efficient, effective, and safer for human soldiers.